Hey, kids! Today, we're going to make right. The item generator. Surely, we can make something out of that. Let's spin it, shall we?
Oh, off to a good start, I suppose.
I mean, I guess we can make that work.
Wait, what?
Sounds edible enough.
Enough?
Ooh.
Tomo, with all due respect, how are we going to make a receipt, which is an inedible item, a part of an edible meal, consisting of peaches and chicken?
We shall sing a song about it.
Oh my god!
I will go grab the chicken. Yes, from this lovely farm. And Collie will grab the peaches from that tree with his armchair.
I've got in my portion, but Tomo, are you sure?
Collie, what could you possibly mean? This chicken ain't harm. It's a piece of cake to bake a pretty
Soup, yeah, sure.
It's the way is hazy. You gotta do the cooking by the seat. You know you can't be lazy.
If you use a mess recipe, the soup will end up crazy.
If you do the cooking by the... What was it again?
Receipt.
Ah, yes. Then you'll have a soup. You know it's not a dupe.
We gotta make that soup. Oh, hey, this is actually catchy. Tomo, this might be one of your better ideas, actually.
It's a dupe. Make a dupe.
My
We've got to
ears.
have oh wow, that looks
No, I love soup. Yep.
Finally,
It's time to make
a...
You gotta do the cooking by
the
receipt.
receipt.
soup. Oh, wow. It actually came out pretty decent.
Sure did. Uh-huh.
Yay, can't wait to eat.
And I suppose we can just use the receipt as a decorative piece.
Oh, no. That won't do.
Well,
Snatch.
You know it's not a dupe. La la la.
Tomo, we can't eat this.
Yes, you can. Dig in.
I'll save mine for later.
Whips. Hey, this isn't so bad.
That's it? That's the last episode?
There's no way Tomo is actually dead.